You're spinning down.
Bearings were real stiff when I started as well, but oil and WD-40 rectified that problem. It's clearly got a nice spin down with a small fan.
Okay. You ready? Here comes Decade Box. Let's see what it does. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm surprised it's taking so long.
4.
Really?
Yep. 5. 6. Oh, it just started on
I guess
6.
it's because of that 2 microfarad capacitor, but you would think that would, I don't know.
And it's drawing 0.35 amps.
So I wonder what year they switched from this to the smaller motor housing, because there are some smaller motor housing ones that came with the bell canopy. And I'm also starting to go back and look back over my childhood again to see if any of the ones that I remember from my childhood that I thought were the smaller motor housing were actually this version. Because for a while I didn't believe that this version was something that was sold in stores. I thought when we saw one of these, someone had bought the wrong blades.
Okay, here's 7.43.
Do me a favor, go back to 5. Because remember, it didn't start until like 6 or 7.
Yeah.
But it seemed like it should have started before then.
It's going to keep going. It's 0.28.
Go to 4.
0.21.
Yep. 5. Huh. Okay, continue.
Here comes 8 is 0.51. 9. 9 is 0.6. 10. 0.69.
What are you looking for?
12.
Oh.
0.76 on 12.
It jumped up pretty quickly, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting. I guess the way a GE motor reacts with a small capacitor is different than the way other motors react with a small capacitor.
Yeah.
I'm still surprised at how much it draws on high.
0.86 on 13.
When I had it open, I should have looked at the motor to see what capacitor the motor was actually rated for.
Okay.
But I'm telling you this, Andy, I'm not planning to open it again anytime soon. How about you?
Not gonna happen.
0.95 on 14. Okay, I cannot go over 14 because at 15 it is 1.04 and I get 1.01.
So there aren't a lot of speed controls you could use with this then.
No.
If you can't go over 14 and you can't go under 6.
No, you're gonna have to do solid state, which we're gonna do next.
Yeah, that sure is interesting. Again, it's probably just the way it reacts because it's got a really powerful motor with a really small value capacitor.
Yeah.
It would probably behave a lot better if I changed the capacitor for whatever a GE motor usually uses, which I think is either 5 or 6.
Okay. But do we know what this motor's actually said it rated for?
The fan's tag is rated at 0.95, but the motor has its own tag on it inside the housing that I should have looked at when I had the housing open, but I don't plan on opening the housing again.
Okay. I am pretty much at 230 with 0.2.
Okay, but it would do well with the solid state control. So far it's silent. You know what? I really think I like the big housing with the small blades. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Anybody have a preference for the big housing versus the small housing with the short blades?
I'm not sure I really can picture us. Would it be the same as mine? My Hacienda, the same size?
The housing?
Yeah.
Bigger, I think. It's definitely thicker. It's the same thickness as this, but just narrower.
And I'm at 0.31 with 1 o'clock. I'm going to go up to noon. 0.49.
Yeah, it's hard to say.
0.66 at 11.
Really, the difference is not that significant.
Yeah.
Let's see. I hear nothing.
Yeah, it's silent. GE motors are usually great with solid state, though, so it doesn't surprise me.
Okay, I'm going to go up. 0.77. 0.89 and Okay, I'm at high with 0.96 on solid state high.
Okay, yeah, I'm all for this being used on a solid state control. It's too bad the one built into the fan didn't work.
Yeah.
I might be able to fix it. I think it was shorted though, which usually means that the transistor in there is bad. You could theoretically source and replace the transistor.
Okay. Well, that's everything.
Okay.
We already did 0 to high.
Yep.
So.
Works out to being a short video since it's not reversible and doesn't have an internal speed control.
Just like, yep.
Okay. A lot more cool fans coming up. So keep watching. Somebody picked Evergo next? Is that what we picked?
Yeah, I think that was me. That's.
Okay.